Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to manage and customize client email notifications using Acuity scheduling. These automatic emails help reduce no-shows, keep your brand professional, and keep your clients informed. Let's jump in. Head to acuityscheduling.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, look at the sidebar and click Client Email. It's under the Notifications section. You'll see options like initial confirmation, reminders, cancellations, etc. Click Initial Confirmation to edit what clients receive right after the book. In this message, you can include a friendly welcome, service details, what to bring, location or Zoom link, and dynamic tags like this to personalize each email. Scroll down to set up reminder emails. You can schedule them to go out hours or days before the appointment. There's also a section for follow-ups emails, great for thank you messages or review requests after a session. Use the toolbar to format text, insert links, or add images. When you're done, click Preview Template to check exactly how it looked like to your client. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save Template. Your new email setup is now live and ready to go. And that's it. You've now customized your email notifications in Acuity scheduling.